So let's create the registration form that we are going to use to deliver the packages and ask information about the farmer, how to contact the farmer in the next steps of the project. So we click here in prepare registration form, and then it shows to us the questions that we have available in our library, the registration form that we are going to use, and the preview of the registration as we were going to see in the Android phone. So the two questions that we have by default are these two, the package code and the farmer name. So it's something that it is there and you cannot take away. So these are required questions, and that we are going to use in all projects across your account. So then we can add new questions, and for each question we can create a new section. My recommendation is that you create as many sections you want, because each section is it's like a page on the server, you know. So each section will be the one row screen to the cell phone. And ideally I prefer to not have so many questions in the same section, so you don't need to scroll down the questions and maybe lose some question that is not required but is important for the project. So maybe 3 or 2 questions per section, it's ideal. So I will create one new question that is called contact info and information to contact the farmer, and then I will save it, and I will have this new section. And here I just need to pick the information. For example, the telephone number, I just need to go and drag it here, and the farmer community. So I have 2 questions as the contact, and I will also add a new one about the age. So let's take this one and put here, main section. So we're going to ask about the coach, the farmer name, the age, and the second one will be what is the community and what's the cell phone number. So this is basically the question that I want to ask when I register the farmer in this project. But of course you can also add more questions, and as I said before, ideally are the questions that you are going to use to contact the farmer for the next steps in your project. So maybe the husband or wife name, father name, or village name. So things that you're going to use to contact them. And if I just go here back to the main menu, I can see that this step is already completed, and it opens for me a new option that's called generate packages with technology options. So this means that now I can make the randomization with Tercot and generate the packages for the distribution. So if I click here, it will show to me the questions, like the randomization was already performed now. So for example, these are the packages that the randomization selected. I don't have any control on it, so I have 55 packages, and this is completely random. And if you don't really like this randomization, you can go back and modify it, but it doesn't make any difference. You can modify it, and you can see here, and then I will confirm. And now I already have my registration. Also, if I take this information that I already have now, I can go to the field and register the farmer and distribute the packages. But before that, I have to do some steps that I'm going to show you right now.